Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn on mobile data on Pixel phones. Okay, almost all of the Android mobile have notification panel and easy toggles, and if you can simply touch on mobile data toggle, then it will be turned on. But Google Pixel have different options because Wi-Fi and mobile data in the same toggle. So how to do it? Just open your notification panel from the top of the screen. Then you can see option of internet toggle. Just tap on that internet toggle. Then you can see option of mobile data and Wi-Fi. Simply tap on mobile data, then the mobile data start working. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily activate mobile data and also Wi-Fi from that toggle. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.